Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a Sims FreePlay modded version with unlimited money, as you can see. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this onto your device. It works on iPhone and Android, guys. So all you got to do is just go ahead and go to this website, and it's a pretty cool site to be on. It's called hexmods.com. So they have all these like different modded apps and stuff like that. So just come over to the site, and I think it's on this site. It might actually, no, it's not on here. It's on zoomods.com. Alright, so yeah, go to zoomods.com, type in Sims, and then we see the Sims FreePlay. So just press on it, and it's going to start downloading. I pressed on Sims 4. They do have Sims 4 mobile download as well, but we're doing Sims FreePlay today, so there you go, guys. It's going to start downloading, so hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, so before it downloads, you may see something come up that tells you that you need to download some missing files. But trust me, guys, this is normal, and it's easy to do. So let's just wait and see. Alright, so I'm just going to give it a second to load up, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just see what happens, and we should be all set. So it says missing files, so we got a video to watch if you need it, and there's all these apps. You got to download 2 of the apps. So Travel Town says reach level 10, so you just press on it, press continue, brings you to the store, and you just reach level 10. Then there's also like misplay, TikTok, PDF reader, down, install, stay in the app for 20 minutes. So just do whatever you can do, guys. Doesn't really make a difference. But Sims FreePlay modded version for 2025, guys. Unlimited money, super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you play the Sims FreePlay regularly, because it's super cool, guys. Totally works. If this video works to you guys, be sure to go and share. I'm gonna see you guys later. Yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is so crazy, guys, and it works.